Good morning. So today is Wednesday. It's actually the day after our Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. We went to the party last night for the first time ever. We've been blessed to be able to come to Disney before a few times, but we've never done any of the parties. So this was the first time for us, and it was fun. I think I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the footage first and then give you the review of everything after. I tried to record on some of the rides and some of the treat stations, but it was just a busy night. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the footage from the party. We had a really great time. Like I said, it was our first time there, and I really liked it. I thought that we were able to do quite a few rides. We did Big Thunder Railroad, the actual railroad. We did, gosh, I can't even think right now. Barnstormer, Dumbo, the Speedway, Space Mountain twice. We did Tron twice. We got lucky with that because we had a child swap. Haunted Mansion. Did I say Jungle Cruise? Jungle Cruise, People Mover, and Pirates. I think that was everything. Oh, and the teacups, of course. I should have put that footage in there. I might have put it in there. I went on with the kids and I was extremely dizzy after I got off the ride. But overall, I thought it was great. We were really worried because Hurricane Idalia, I think is the name, is coming. Actually, it's here right now. And so it's really rainy outside. But we were worried that everything was going to be canceled and we weren't going to see the parades and the fireworks. And thankfully, we got a little bit of rain, but overall, not bad at all. We were able to see the parade and the fireworks, and it was a really good time. If you'd never been before, I definitely think you should check it out. What else? We didn't really try any of the party foods. And we did not do any character meet and greets. I know some people waited a really long time to be able to see Jack and Sally and the Seven Dwarfs. We didn't want to do that. Our priorities were the fireworks and the parades and just having fun, and we had a really good time. The kids had a great time with the trick-or-treating. I'll have to maybe take a picture of our haul and put that in here too. But definitely check it out if you've never been. Our next stop is maybe trying the Christmas party at some point, but we'll see. Hopefully, maybe I can convince Steve to take us. But overall, it was a great time. And thanks for watching, and check back soon for another video. Sorry, somehow I lost the footage for the start of the next day. So it's actually the next day, and we are starting out at Epcot, and we are starting at Remy's Ratatouille Adventure.
Too simple. What? Yes. Mais oui, that's it.
you have fun?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favorite glasses?
No, after that.
Trying our first crepe. So Evan had one of these the other day and really liked it. So try it out. We're hungry for breakfast.
It's probably really hot. Want a piece?
You gonna try it? I like your outfit for today.
Oh, jeez.
Alright, let's see, Owie. You like it? Is it good?
I think it's
Alright,
just
we're
dull.
gonna eat our crepe and then figure out what we're gonna do next. Headed into the bakery in France.
Just looks like that.
Have your phone.
Bag.
What the?
Backpack. Oh, sorry. Ask you. I had that strawberry tart the other day. That was pretty good. It's a sticker. What'd you get? Mexico. Oh, and there's a little picture on the other side.
There you can draw.
And you can put on your sticker if you want.
Where's the crayons? Do we have any crayons?
In our room we do. Adeline, look at, they have the little Dante dog. Look. Look at. Look, they have the little dog. And then look at these. Kiki, look. These are the shoulder thing. Alright, come on.
Inside the boat.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos y brazos
It's ambient though. Do you guys have an ambient channel on your TV? It's a fireplace.
troublemaker. Good thing
Coming in
he's
or what?
referenced it.
We ready?
Take a
Come on
photo.
in
Now go do
over.
the group picture.
Wow, stop pushing
We're doing the group picture first. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
Household robots.
Please remain seated. Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Remain seated, please. Our travels are resuming now.
Since you like to wing it, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things as they come. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's holographic gaming technology keeps you connected to friends back home. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future.
Ladies and gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment.
Don't mind my crazy hair. The Epcot ball back there. So we have been at Epcot since early this morning, and now we're actually going to park hop over to Hollywood. We have a couple lightning lanes set up for over there. It's been a fun day. We got to ride Guardians. You do? Okay, time out. We got to take a picture. Okay, I had to take a quick break to take some pictures, and I will try to remember to insert them here. Bye. So anyway, like I said, we are gonna park hop to Hollywood, but we have to go find a bus because the gondolas are down because it has been raining. Hence the reason why my hair is so crazy today. But we've had a fun day. I started to say we did Guardians twice. We rode Remy's and Frozen and Test Track and Spaceship Earth we just did. But we want to park hop to Hollywood because the other day when we were there it was raining and we had a, actually no, it wasn't raining. We had a lightning lane scheduled for Slinky Dog, and then the ride went down, so we never got to ride it. So we're gonna try to go do that, and I think I've got one for Mickey and Minnie's too. So we're gonna park hop over there and finish out our day over there.
World Transportation System. We are on our way to Disney's Hollywood Studios. For your safety and the safety of others, please remain seated while the motor coach is in motion. Clear the doors and stairwells. We ask that you refrain from eating, drinking, and smoking.
The Hollywood Tower Hotel. If you're interested in dropping by. Oh yeah, they have Eeyore. Oh, and Piglet, how cute. And Stitch and Angel. Is that? I think that's Todd from Fox and the Hound. Let me see. Does it say Todd? Does it say their names on them? It just says plush. Doesn't say his name. Oh look, Adeline, there's Nala and Simba too. Look, they have Dante here too. The dog. How come this one says his name on it, but the other ones don't? Pluto, Minnie, Mickey,
You just got that one, didn't you? Do you want to come back later because Dad already went through with your pins? Yeah.
We'll be here all day. Don't.
Oh yeah, there's Baby Yoda.
It's like heavy.
It's heavy?
Yeah, it's like heavy, kind of.
Yeah.
There we go. Now
All right, go ahead, Terry.
That's super still. It's okay.
Oh, what happened?
Try it again, princess. She has smaller fingers. It's not rich.
We made it in. Little hiccup, but we're in.
You said on the fence. Oh, wait. I'm going to go to Chip and Dale.
Oh, and who is that?
Chip and Dale.
Chip and Dale. What are they doing?
They're setting up a picnic.
Yeah.
They're setting up a picnic. Or they're leaving. Oh, I think they're leaving.
All right, so we are finally in line for Slinky Dog. The kids have been waiting for this for a few days. The last time we were here, I think I mentioned earlier that it was broke down. So they're super excited. To the right, to the right. Late night Slinky Dog.
Whoa, you can see everything.
Bigger and stronger too. Maybe, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. Just me and you, babe. And as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny.
It's like an actual restaurant where they, you know, get like pork. I know what they're going for.
Yeah, it's like...
So the big kids just went on Rock and Roller Coaster with their dad, and it was Adeline's first time. So I'm excited to hear if she liked it. So, how was it?
Good.
Did you like it?
I'm gonna put
You
this
didn't
back
fall
on
out?
here now.
So Adeline came back and she loved it. She was so excited that I had to go on with her one more time because she wanted to go again. So Adeline and Evan sat in the front row and they had a blast. And now they're going on one last ride for the night. They're going up on Tower of Terror. So little guy is already passed out in the stroller. He's got his new little buddy and he is out for the night. So I think we're going to end the video here. We had a lot of fun today, and come back and see us again. Next time will be our adventures at Animal Kingdom and wherever we decide to park out to. Thanks for watching. Bye.